How to use an exclamation mark. To exclaim means to express or cry out suddenly in surprise with strong emotion. An exclamation is a forceful utterance or outcry expressing surprise, joy, disappointment, or pain. So an exclamation mark is placed after a word or sentence to indicate emphasis and strong feeling. There are two main instances where exclamation marks are used. One, at the end of a sentence containing an exclamation or strong emotional statement. Let's look at an example. The chocolate cake was absolutely delicious. Note, the emotion of intense pleasure is emphasized by putting an exclamation mark after the word delicious. Next, the weather on the day of the wedding was truly awful. Note, the emotion of extreme disappointment is emphasized by putting an exclamation mark after the word awful. Now here's the second use of exclamation marks, after an interjection. An interjection can be one or two words that appear at the beginning of a sentence to express strong emotion. It is not grammatically related to the rest of the sentence. Here's an example. "Oh no," she cried out as she approached her front door. "I've forgotten my keys." Note, the exclamation mark after "oh no" emphasizes shock and frustration. Here's another example. "Wow, what an amazing sunset," she said to herself as she walked along the promenade. Note, the exclamation mark after wow indicates the sunset was spectacular, impressive. But let's look at some warnings. 1. Avoid using exclamation marks in formal writing for business or academic purposes. 2. Avoid overuse of exclamation marks, as you see in this paragraph. Used too often, they negate their purpose by making too many words and sentences seem important. 3. Avoid using multiple exclamation marks, which can give a negative impression of the writer. For additional information, go to this link at bbc.com. You can find an active link in the description below. Now here's one grammar rule. An exclamation mark replaces a period at the end of a sentence or a comma if used in the middle of a sentence. For example, the chocolate cake was absolutely delicious! Period. That's incorrect. It should be, the chocolate cake was absolutely delicious! Has this video helped you? Hit like now. Continually improve your English by subscribing to this channel. Hit the subscribe button now, then click the bell icon and choose all to be notified when there are new videos. And build a powerful English vocabulary with my free course on Udemy. Just go to goodenglish.online.